A digitizer is a device that enables users to ink, pencil, paint, or draw on a computer. The digitizer's surface receives input by pressing against it with a stylus or touch pen. Movements on the digitizer are registered as analog signals, which are then digitized into digital information. The drawing application receives the information from the digitizer and turns it into an image on screen. For example, if you draw a line on the digitizer, the line will appear on screen. Digitizers are usually connected via a USB or wireless connection. Drivers must be installed before you can connect the device. Also, a configuration utility should be included for personalized settings, such as the pressure sensitivity of the stylus. It's common to find a simple digitizer technology used in signature pads or similar devices that enable customers to sign for purchases and have that signature converted to digital format. For instance, every time you use a credit card pad, you use a signature pad. Digitizers are powerful and flexible tools for visual artists and money transactions. They compete effectively and are often preferred over traditional methods of painting, drawing, animation, and more. So, the next time you feel creative on the computer, use a digitizer to up the artistic process.